not-so-big streaming platform. It really is that easy to build the best-looking streams around. Download a free trial of Wirecast now to see how you can stream like the pros. Do you want to stream just like the pros? With Wirecast, it's as easy as capture, produce, stream. Whether you have a studio ready to
best content possible today. Look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production tools to help realize the vision of where you are now and where you are going. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting a production, there's been the critical need to match the image look and quality from camera to camera. Shading is the task of matching camera light levels. The world is color changing. Saturation, every day, and image consistency. Bigger, brighter screens are changing the way that we work. Viewing experience, communicate, and shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluations, keeping pace with the use of color charts and light requiring new tools for emerging challenges, waveform monitors, and software designed specifically to generate formats and resolution information for production of content, from standard definition to high definition and 4K quality and consistency. Now, 8K Prism camera shading no compromise solution even more critical experience. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technology single for real-time that simplifies professional-grade live production. These tools generate objective, trusted production confidence monitoring to satisfy the growing expectations built of higher resolution video and tomorrow's opportunity. And best yet, Prism, this technology evolves with your production engineered for IP, addressing SDI and keeping pace with the evolution in IP designed to solve problems in bitrate. Tektronix provides post-production reducing future risk and studio helping produce Prism is a versatile toolset today for every environment. Look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production into your workflow to help realize the vision of where you are now, engineering, and it's easy where you are going, easy to integrate, and easy to control. It's a fully featured, innovative solution have been shooting in production time and money. There's been the critical need to match the confident waveform monitor from camera to camera. Shading is the task of matching camera light levels, color saturation, and image consistency. In order to provide a pleasing viewing experience every day, shading techniques have evolved are changing the way that we evaluation, communicate to the use of color charts and light meters, content creation and delivery, waveform monitors and software, requiring new tools video formats and resolution continue to evolve. From standard definition to high definition and trusted information now for production of content, camera shading has become even more quality and consistency. Tektronix has developed a suite of no-compromise technology that couples real-time IP SDI monitoring. These tools generate a objective, trusted production that simplifies professional-grade live production, expectations, content, higher resolution and video, confidence monitoring and broadcast. Yet, this technology evolves for today's demands and tomorrow's opportunities. Current needs, Prism and keeping pace with the evolution and engineered for HDR standards. SDI, Tektronix provides the path for reducing future designed to solve problems helping produce the best content possible post-production facilities. Look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production versatile tools to help realize every environment where you are now. Prism can be easily integrated into your workflow. From operations to engineering, it's easy to connect. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting in production, easy to control. There's been the critical need to match your image innovative solution that saves camera time and money. Shading meet the future of confident waveform light levels. Color saturation every day. The use of bigger, brighter screens are changing the way that we work. The scopes, communicate monitors, and software. And as video formats and resolution continue to evolve, from standard definition to high definition emerging challenges. Now, 8K designs camera shading to generate even more trusted information. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technology quality for real-time IP SDI monitoring is a no-compromise solution. Generate objective, trusted production information bold innovation to satisfy the growing expectations of higher resolution video that simplifies professional-grade live production. This technology evolves with your production and confidence monitoring current needs and keeping pace with the evolution in IP and tomorrow's opportunities. Prism provides the path for reducing future IP while helping produce the best content possible today. Designed to solve problems in a complete range of video production tools, post-production realize the vision of where you are now and studio, and Prism is a versatile toolset for every environment. Prism can be easily integrated into your workflow. Cameras have been shooting from operations to engineering. Critical need to match the image look and quality from camera to camera. Shading is the task of innovative camera light that saves you time and color saturation. Meet the future of confident waveform in order to provide a pleasing viewing experience. Prism. Shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation to the use of color charts and light meters. The world is changing. Waveform monitors, bigger and brighter screens are changing the way that we formats and resolution continue to evolve and live. From standard definition to high definition and 4K, keeping pace with this change. 8K, camera shading has become even more critical. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technology, trusted information real-time for production of content to satisfy growing expectations. Generate objective, trusted production information. Prism is a no-compromise expectation that higher resolution video with bold innovation. Best yet, it is a comprehensive single-platform production that simplifies professional-grade live production and keeping pace with content evolution in IP and confidence monitoring and broadcast. Tektronix provides the path for today's demand, future risk, and tomorrow's opportunities, helping produce the best content possible today and engineered for Tektronix for a complete range of video hybrid workflows to help realize the vision of where you are now problems and where you are going. Post-production facilities and studios. Prism has a versatile tool cameras have been shooting in production. There's been the critical need to match integrated into your work quality, from camera to camera to engineering. Shading, it's easy to the task of matching the camera light level and easy to control. Color saturation, it's a fully featured innovative solution in order to provide a time and viewing experience. Meet the future of shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation, Prism, to the use of color charts and light meters, to scopes, waveform monitors, and software. And as video formats and resolution continue to evolve, bigger, brighter standard definition to high definition and 4K, communicate to now and 8K. Camera shading content creation even more critical, keeping pace with this. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technology challenges for real-time IP SDI designed specifically to generate objective information, trusted production of content to satisfy growing expectations of higher resolution video. Prism is a no-compromise technology that couples with your production growth with bold innovation, current needs, and keeping pace with the evolution in IP that simplifies professional-grade live production. Tektronix provides content for reducing future risk while helping produce the best content possible built for today's demands. Look at tomorrow's opportunities. Complete range of video production is field upgradable realize and engineered where you are now, SDI, where you are going. Workflows. Designed to solve problems in OB trucks. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting in production, there's been a critical need to match is a versatile toolset for every camera to camera. Shading can be easily integrated into your work camera light levels. From operations, color saturation, it's easy and image consistency, easy to integrate in order to provide easy to control viewing experience. It's a fully featured, innovative solution that saves you time and evaluation. Meet the future of confident waveform monitoring. The scopes, waveform monitors, and software. And as video formats and resolution continue to evolve, from standard definition to high definition and 4K, every now, bigger, brighter screens are changing the way that we work. Even more critical. Communicate. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technologies keeping pace with this change. IP SDI monitor requiring new tools. These tools generate objective, trusted production information designed specifically to generate expectations, trusted higher resolution for production of content and to satisfy growing expectations. This technology evolves with your production growth, addressing current needs and no compromise keeping pace with the evolution in IP and HDR innovation. Tektronix provides a single platform that simplifies professional-grade live production content possible today, and confidence monitoring and complete range of video production tools built to help realize the vision of where you are tomorrow's opportunities and where you are going. Is field upgradable and engineered for IP, SDI, and hybrid workflows. Multiple cameras have been shooting in production, designed to solve problems and critical need to match the image look post-production facility from camera to camera and studio. Shading, Prism is a versatile tool camera light for every environment. Color saturation, Prism can be easily integrated into your workflow in order to provide a pleasing viewing experience. It's easy to connect. Shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation. It's a fully featured, innovative solution that saves you time and money. Scopes, waveform monitors, confident waveform monitor. And as video formats and resolution continue to evolve, from standard definition to high definition and 4K to now 8K, camera shading has become even more critical. Every day, Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technologies, communicate real-time IP SDI monitoring. Content creation and generate objective, keeping pace with production information to satisfy the new growing expectations of higher resolution video. Designed specifically to generate this technology trusted information for production of content, current needs, and keeping pace with the evolution in IP and HDR standards is a no-compromise solution provides the path for reducing future risk with bold innovation, helping produce the best content possible. It is a comprehensive single platform that simplifies professional-grade live video production tools to help realize the vision of where you are monitoring and broadcast, where you are going. Built for today's demands and tomorrow's opportunities. Prism, ever since multiple cameras have been shooting in production for IP, there's been the critical need to match hybrid image look and quality from camera to camera. To solve problems shading is the task of matching post-production facilities color saturation, Prism is a versatile toolset in order to provide a pleasing viewing experience. Prism can be easily integrated into your work, evolved from operations human evaluation to engineering. It's easy to use color charts, easy to integrate meters, and easy to control. The scopes, waveform monitors, and innovative solution. And as video formats and resolution continue to evolve, confident from standard definition to high definition and 4K, Prism to now 8K, camera shading has become even more critical. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display expectations of higher resolution with this change. And requiring new tools, this technology evolves with your production growth, addressing current needs to generate keeping pace with the evolution in IP for production HDR standards. Satisfy growing Tektronix provides a quality reducing future risk. Prism, while helping produce no compromise solution possible that couples experience, look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production comprehensive to help realize the vision of where you are now, professional grade live production, content editing, and confidence monitoring and broadcast. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting in production and tomorrow's opportunities, there's been a critical need to match the image look and quality and engineered for camera. SDI is the task of matching camera light levels, designed to color saturation, OB and image consistency, post-production in order to provide a pleasing viewing experience. Prism is a versatile toolset have evolved for every environment. Human evaluation. Prism can be easily used into color charts your work and light meters, from operations to engineering, waveform monitors, and easy to integrate. And as video formats and resolution continue to evolve, innovative standard definition to high definition and 4K, meet the future of confident waveform monitor has become even more critical. Prism. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technologies for real-time IP SDI monitoring. These tools generate objective, trusted production information. Brighter screens are changing the way that we work. Expectations of higher resolution video and best yet, content creation and delivery evolves with your pace with this change, addressing current needs new tools and keeping pace with the evolution in IP and HDR designed specifically to generate objective, provides the trusted information for production of content while helping produce the best content possible, quality and consistency. Look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production solutions to help realize the vision of where you are now, bold innovation, and where you are going. Comprehensive single platform that simplifies professional-grade live production. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting in production, and confidence monitoring and critical need to match the image look and quality for today's demand, camera to camera. Tomorrow's opportunity. Shading Prism is the task of matching camera light and engineered for color saturation, SDI, and image hybrid workflows. In order to provide a designed to solve problems in OB trucks, shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation studios. Prism is a versatile toolset for every environment. The scopes, waveform monitors, integrated into your workflow. And as video formats and resolution continue to evolve, easy to standard definition to high definition and 4K, it's a fully featured 8K innovative solution camera shading that saves you time and money. More critical. Meet the future of confident waveform and display technologies for real-time IP SDI monitoring. These tools generate objective, trusted production information to satisfy the growing expectations of higher resolution video. Bigger, brighter screens are changing the way that we work. This technology evolves with your production growth and live, addressing current needs, content creation, pace with the evolution in IP with this change. HDR standard, requiring new tools. Tektronix provides the path for reducing future risk, designed specifically to generate objective, trusted information for production of content for a complete range of video production tools to help realize the vision of where you are now. Prism is a no-compromise solution that couples experience with bold innovation. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting in production, that simplifies professional-grade live production, image look content quality from camera to camera. Monitoring and broadcast is the task of matching camera for today's demands and tomorrow's saturations. And image consistency is field upgradable in order to provide a pleasing viewing experience. SDI and hybrid techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation problems in OB to the use of color charts, post-production facilities. The scope, waveform monitor is a versatile toolset for every environment. Video formats and resolution continue to evolve, integrated into your standard definition from high definition to engineering. It's easy to connect, 8K, easy to integrate, camera shading, and has easy to control. Even more critical. It's a fully Tektronix innovative solution that saves display technologies for real-time IP confident waveform monitor. These tools generate objective, trusted production information to satisfy the growing expectations of higher resolution video. And best yet, this technology evolves with your production growth. Bigger, brighter screens are changing the way that we work, pace with the evolution in IP and HDR standards. Content creation provides the path for keeping pace with future risk, while helping produce the best content emerging challenges. Look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production tools to help realize the vision of where you are now, content to satisfy growing expectations and quality and consistency. Prism is a no-compromise
Ever since
solution
multiple
that
cameras
couples
have been shooting
experience
production with
there's
bold
been a
innovation.
critical need to match
It is a
image
comprehensive
look and quality
single platform
from camera
that
to camera.
simplifies professional
Shading
grade live
is the
production,
task of matching
content
camera
editing,
light levels
and confidence
color
monitoring
saturation
and broadcast,
and image consistency.
built for
In order
today's
to provide
demands
a pleasing
and tomorrow's
viewing
opportunities.
experience.
Prism
Shading
is
techniques
field
have
upgradable
evolved
and
from simple
engineered
human
for
evaluation,
IP,
SDI, to the use of
hybrid
color
workflows.
charts and light meters. Designed to
The
solve
scopes,
problems in
waveform
waveform
monitors,
monitors and software.
post-production facilities.
And as video formats and
And
resolution
studios.
continue
Prism
to evolve,
is a versatile
from
tool
standard
set
definition
for every
to high
environment.
definition and 4K.
Prism can be
to now
easily integrated
8K.
into your work.
Camera shading
From
has
operations
become even
to
more
engineering.
critical.
It's easy to connect,
Tektronix has
easy
developed
to
a suite
integrate,
of waveform and
easy
display
to control.
technologies for
It's a
real-time
fully featured,
IP
innovative
SDI
solution
monitoring
that saves you
These
time
tools
and
generate
money.
objective,
Meet the
trusted
future
production
of confident
information to
waveform
satisfy the
monitoring.
growing expectations
Meet
of higher
Prism.
resolution video. And best yet, this technology evolves with your production growth, addressing current needs and
The
keeping
world
pace
is
with
changing.
the evolution in
Every
IP
day,
and
bigger,
HDR
brighter
standards.
screens are changing the way that we
Tektronix
work,
provides the path for
communicate,
reducing future
and
risk
live.
while helping produce the
Content
best
creation
content
and
possible
delivery
today.
keeping pace with this
Look
change.
to Tektronix for a complete
Requiring
range of
new
video
tools
production
for
tools
emerging
to help
challenges.
realize the vision of where you are now.
Designed specifically
and
to
where
generate
you are going.
objective,
trusted information for production of content to satisfy growing
Ever since
expectations
multiple
and
cameras
quality
have been
and
shooting in
consistency.
production,
There's
Prism
been the critical
is a
need to match
no-compromise
the image
solution
look and
that
quality
couples experience
from camera to
with
camera.
bold innovation.
Shading is the
It is
task
a
of matching
comprehensive
camera
single
light
platform
levels
that simplifies
color saturation,
professional grade live
and image
production,
consistency,
content editing,
in order to provide
and
pleasing
confidence
viewing
monitoring and
experience. Shading techniques
Built
have
for
evolved
today's
from
demands
simple human
and tomorrow's
evaluation
opportunities.
to the
Prism
use of color
is
charts
field
and light
upgradable
meters
and engineered for
to the
IP,
scopes,
SDI,
waveform monitors,
and hybrid
and
workflows.
software. And as video
Designed to
formats
solve
and resolution
problems in
continue
OB
to evolve, from standard
post-production
definition to
facilities
high definition and 4K,
studios.
to
Prism
now
is a
8K.
versatile tool set
Camera
for
shading
every
has
environment.
become even more critical.
Prism can be easily
Tektronix
integrated
has
into your
developed a suite
workflow.
of waveform
From
and display
operations to
technologies
engineering.
for
It's easy
real-time
to connect,
IP SDI
easy to integrate,
monitoring.
and
These
easy to
tools
control.
generate objective,
It's a
trusted
fully
production
featured,
information
innovative
to
solution
satisfy the
that
growing
saves you time and
expectations
money.
of higher
Meet the
resolution
future
video.
of confident
And
waveform
best
monitoring.
yet, this technology
Meet
evolves with your
Prism.
production growth, addressing current needs and keeping pace with the evolution in IP and HDR standards. Tektronix
world is
provides
changing.
the path for reducing
Every day,
future risk,
bigger, brighter
while helping
screens are
produce
changing
the
the
best
way that we
content
work,
possible
to
today.
communicate,
Look
and
to
live.
Tektronix for a complete range of
Content
video production
creation
and
tools
delivery
to help
keeping
realize the
pace
vision
with
of
where
change.
you are now,
Requiring
and
new
where you
tools
are going
for emerging challenges.
Designed specifically to generate
Ever since
objective,
multiple
trusted
cameras have been
information
shooting in
for production of
there's been
content
the
to
critical
satisfy
need to match
growing
the image look
expectations
and
quality
quality
and
from
consistency.
camera to camera.
Prism shading
is a no
is the
compromise
task of
solution
matching
that
camera
couples
light
experience
levels
with
color
bold
saturation
innovation.
and image
It is a
consistency.
comprehensive single
in order to
platform
provide a
that
pleasing
simplifies
viewing
professional
experience.
grade live production.
Shading techniques
content
have evolved
editing,
from simple
and
human
confidence
evaluation
monitoring
and broadcast to the use of color charts
built
and light
for
meters.
today's demands
And tomorrow's
scopes,
opportunities.
waveform monitors,
Prism is
and
field
software.
upgradable
And
as video
engineered for
formats
IP,
and resolution
SDI,
continue to
and
evolve
hybrid workflows.
from standard definition to high
Designed to
definition
solve
and 4K
problems in OB
to now
tracks.
8K.
Post-production
Camera shading
facilities
has become even more
and studios.
critical. Prism is a
Tektronix has
versatile
developed
tool
a
set
suite of
for
waveform
every
and
environment.
display technologies.
Prism
for
can be
real-time
easily
IP
integrated into
SDI
your
monitoring.
workflow.
From operations
These tools
to
generate
engineering.
objective,
It's
trusted
easy to
production
connect,
information
easy to integrate,
satisfy the growing
and easy to control.
expectations of higher
It's a
resolution
fully
video.
featured, innovative
And
solution
best yet,
that saves you
this
time and
technology
money.
evolves with your
Meet the
production
future of
growth,
confident
addressing
waveform
current needs
monitoring.
and keeping pace
Meet
with the evolution in
Prism.
IP and HDR standards. Tektronix provides the path for reducing future risk while helping produce the best
The world
content
is
possible
changing.
today.
Every day,
Look to
bigger,
Tektronix
brighter
for a
screens
complete
are
range of
changing
video
the way that we
production
work,
tools to help realize the
communicate,
vision of where
and
you
live.
are now and
Where
content
you are
creation
going.
and delivery is keeping pace with this change. Requiring new tools
Ever
for
since
emerging
multiple
cameras
challenges.
have been shooting in production. There's
Designed
been a critical
specifically
need to
to
match
generate
the image
objective,
look and
trusted
quality
information
from
for
camera to
production
camera
of
content to
shading
satisfy
is the
growing
task of matching
expectations and
camera
quality
light
and
levels.
consistency. Color
Prism
saturation
is a no
and image
compromise
consistency
solution
that couples
in order to
experience
provide a pleasing
with
viewing
bold innovation.
It is
Shading
a
techniques
comprehensive
have
single
evolved
platform
from simple
that
human
simplifies
evaluation
professional grade live
to the use of
production,
color charts
content
and light
editing,
meters and confidence
the scopes,
monitoring and
waveform
waveform monitors and software
built for today's
and as
demands
video
and
formats and
tomorrow's
resolution
opportunities.
continue to
Prism
evolve
is field
from standard
upgradable
definition
and
to high
engineered for
definition
IP,
and 4K
SDI,
to now
and hybrid
8K.
workflows.
Camera shading has
Designed
become
to
even
solve
more
problems
critical.
in OB tracks.
Tektronix has developed a suite of
Post-production
waveform
facilities
and display technologies
and studios.
for real-time
Prism is a
IP
versatile
SDI
tool set
monitoring.
for every environment.
These tools generate objective,
Prism can be
trusted
easily
production
integrated
information
into your workflow.
to satisfy the
From
growing
operations to
expectations of
engineering,
higher
it's easy
resolution
to
video.
connect,
easy to integrate, best yet, and easy to control. Technology evolves with your production featured, innovative solution needs that saves you time and money. With the evolution and meet the future of confident waveform monitoring. Tektronix provides the path for reducing future risk while helping produce the best content possible today. Look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production tools to help realize the vision of where you are now. Brighter screens are changing the way that we work, communicate, and live. Content creation and multiple cameras have been shooting production. There's been the critical need to match the image look and quality from camera to camera. Designed specifically to generate objective matching camera information for production color saturation, satisfy growing expectations and quality. In order to provide a pleasing viewing experience, is a no-compromise shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation innovation to the use of color comprehensive single platform that simplifies professional-grade live production and software content editing, and as video formats and resolution continue to evolve. From standard definition to high definition tomorrow's opportunities to now, Prism 8K is field upgradable camera shading and engineered for even more critical. SDI, Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technologies problems for real-time IP SDI post-production facilities. These tools generate objective, trusted production is a versatile tool set to satisfy for every environment. Expectations of higher resolution video integrated into your workflow. Best yet, from operations, this technology evolves with your production connect, addressing current needs, and easy to control. With the evolution in IP featured innovative solution that saves you time and provides the path for reducing future risk, confident while helping produce the best content possible today. Prism. Look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production tools to help realize the vision of where you are now and where you are going. The world is changing. Every day, bigger, brighter screens are changing the way that we work. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting a production and live, there's been the critical need to match the image and delivery quality keeping pace with camera to camera. Shading is the task of matching camera light levels. Color saturation specifically and generate objective, trusted information to provide for production of viewing experience, satisfy growing shading techniques have evolved and from simple human evaluation is a no-compromise color charts that couples experience with the bold innovation. Waveform monitors. It is a comprehensive single platform and as video formats and resolution grade live production. From standard definition to high definition monitoring and broadcast to now 8K. Build camera today's demand has become tomorrow's opportunities. Prism Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technologies, SDI, real-time and hybrid SDI monitoring. Designed to generate objective, trusted production information, post-production facilities, growing expectations of higher resolution video is a versatile toolset for every environment. This technology evolves with your production easily integrated into your work current needs from operations keeping pace to engineering, evolution and IP and HDR to integrate. And Tektronix provides the path for reducing future risk. Innovative solution produced that saves you time and possible today. Meet the future of confident waveform range of video production tools. Meet to help realize the vision of where you are now and where you are going. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting a production, bigger, brighter screens are changing the way that we work, look, and quality communicate from camera to camera. Shading content creation and delivery camera light pace with this change. Color saturation requiring new image consistency for emerging challenges. In order to provide a pleasing viewing experience, designed specifically to generate shading techniques have evolved information from simple human evaluation to satisfy to the use of color charts and quality and consistency. The scope is a no-compromise solution that couples experience, video formats and resolution continue to evolve. It is a comprehensive standard definition to high definition and professional-grade live production. 8K content camera shading has become even more critical and broadcast. Tektronix has developed a suite of today's demand display technologies for real-time IP SDI monitoring and engineered for IP generate objective trusted production information to satisfy the growing expectations of higher resolution video. And post-production facilities. This technology evolves with your production. Prism is a versatile tool set for every environment, keeping pace with the evolution and IP and HDR standards. From Tektronix provides the path for reducing future risk, easy to integrate, produce the best easy to control possible today. It's a fully featured, innovative solution range of video production time and money to help realize the future where you are now, waveform monitor where you are going. Meet Prism. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting a production, there's been the critical need to match the image look and quality every day. Camera to camera, brighter screens are changing the way that we work. Matching camera light levels and live. Color saturation and image creation and delivery is in order to provide a pleasing viewing experience, requiring new tools. Shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation, designed specifically to generate color charts, trusted information for production of content to satisfy growing expectations and quality. And as video formats and resolution is a no-compromise solution from standard definition to high definition and full innovation. To now, it is a comprehensive camera shading platform has become even more professional-grade live production. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display monitoring and for real-time IP SDI monitoring for today's demand. These tools generate objective, trusted production information to satisfy the growing expectations of higher resolution video, hybrid workflows, and best yet, designed to solve problems with your production growth. Addressing post-production facilities and keeping pace with the evolution in IP Prism is a versatile toolset for every environment. Tektronix provides the path Prism for reducing future integrated into your workflow, helping produce the best content possible to engineering today. It's easy to connect, easy to integrate, complete range of video production easy to control to help realize the vision of where you are now, innovative solution and that saves you time and money. Meet the future of confident waveform monitoring. Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting in production, there's been the critical need to match the image look and quality from camera to camera. Shading is the task of matching camera light every day. Bigger, color saturation screens are changing the way that we work. In order to provide a pleasing viewing experience, content creation techniques have evolved keeping pace with this human evaluation, requiring new tools of color emerging light meters. The scopes, designed specifically to generate objective software, trusted information, and as video formats and resolution continue to evolve from standard definition to high definition and 4K is a no-compromise solution that camera shading has become even more innovation. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technologies, professional-grade live production, content editing, and confidence-generated objective, trusted production information built for today's demand and tomorrow's opportunity. Higher resolution video is field upgradable, best yet engineered this technology evolves with your production and hybrid workflows, addressing current needs and designed to solve the evolution in IP and HDR post-production facilities. Tektronix provides the path for reducing future risk, a versatile tool helping produce for every environment content possible today. Prism can be easily integrated into your work complete range of video production tools to help realize the vision of where you are now, easy to integrate and where you are going. It's a fully featured, innovative solution that saves you time and multiple cameras have been shooting a future of confident waveform monitoring to match the image look and quality from camera to camera. Shading is the task of matching camera light levels, color saturation, and image consistency. The world is changing. In order to provide a pleasing viewing brighter screens are changing the way that shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation. Content creation and delivery and light keeping pace with this change. The scopes, waveform monitors, for emerging challenges. And as video formats and resolution continue to generate objective from standard definition to high definition and 4K to satisfy growing expectations and camera shading has become even more critical. Is a no-compromise solution has developed a suite of waveform and display technology innovation for real-time IP SDI single platform. These tools generate professional-grade live production information to satisfy the growing expectations monitoring higher resolution video. And for today's demand, this technology evolves with your production. Prism is addressing current needs and engineered keeping pace with the evolution in IP and hybrid HDR standards. Tektronix provides the problems of reducing future risk while helping produce the best content possible today. Prism is a versatile toolset for every video production tools to help realize the vision of where you are now into your workflow and where you are going to engineering. It's easy to connect, easy to integrate, and easy to control. Multiple cameras have been shooting a production. Innovative solution need to match the time and money and quality. Meet the future of confident waveform monitoring is the task of matching camera light levels, color saturation, and image consistency in order to provide a pleasing viewing experience. Shading techniques have evolved every day. Simple human evaluation, brighter screens are changing the way that color charts and light communicate and live. The scopes, waveform monitoring creation and delivery is keeping pace with video formats and resolution requiring new to evolve for emerging standard definition to high definition and designed specifically to generate objective, trusted information has been production even more critical to satisfy growing expectations. Tektronix has developed a suite of waveform and display technologies for no-compromise solution that couples experience. These tools generate objective, trusted production information comprehensive to satisfy the growing expectations of higher resolution live production. Content at best yet, and this technology evolves with your production growth, addressing current for today's demand and keeping pace with the evolution in IP Prism and HDR upgradable and engineered for provides the path for reducing future hybrid workflows while helping produce the best designed to solve problems today. OB trucks. Look to Tektronix for a complete range of video production tools and to help realize the vision where you are now toolset and for every where you are going. Prism can be easily integrated into your workflow. From operations
Ever since multiple cameras have been shooting in production, there's been a critical need to match
easy to
image
control
look and quality.
It's a
from
fully
camera to
featured,
camera.
innovative solution
Shading
that
is
saves
the
you
task
time
of
and money.
matching camera light
Meet the
levels,
future of
color
confident
saturation,
waveform monitoring
and image consistency.
Meet
in order
Prism.
to provide a pleasing viewing experience. Shading techniques have evolved from simple human evaluation to the use of color charts and light meters.
Every day, bigger, brighter screens are changing the way that we work,
software.
communicate,
And as video
and
formats
live.
and resolution continue to
Content
evolve,
creation and
from
delivery
standard
must keep
definition
pace
to
with
high
this change.
definition and 4K,
Requiring
to
new
now
tools
8K,
for emerging challenges.
camera shading has become even more
Designed
critical.
specifically to generate
Tektronix has developed a
trusted
suite of
information
waveform and
for
display
production of
technologies
content to
for
satisfy
real-time
growing
IP
expectations
SDI
in
monitoring.
quality and consistency.
These tools generate
Prism
objective,
is a
trusted
no-compromise
production
solution
information
that couples
satisfies the
experience
growing
with
expectations
bold
of
innovation.
higher resolution video.
It is a comprehensive
And
single
best yet,
platform that
this
simplifies
technology
professional-grade live
production,
addressing
content
current
editing,
needs
and
keeping
confidence
pace with the
monitoring
evolution
and
in
broadcast.
IP
and HDR
built
standards
for today's demands.
Tektronix
and
provides
tomorrow's
a path for
opportunities.
reducing
Prism
future risk
is field
while helping
upgradable
produce
and
the best
engineered for
content
IP,
possible today.
SDI, and
Look to
hybrid
Tektronix
workflows
for a complete range of video production
designed to
tools
solve
to
problems
help realize
in
the vision
OB
of where you are now,
post-production
and
facilities,
where you are going.
and studios. Prism is a versatile toolset for every environment.
Ever since multiple cameras
Prism
have been
can be
shooting in
easily
production,
integrated
there's
into your
been a
workflow.
critical need to
From
match the
operations
image look
to
and
engineering,
quality.
it's
from
easy to
camera
connect,
to camera.
easy to integrate,
Shading is
and
the
easy
task
to
of
control.
matching camera light
It's a
levels,
fully featured,
color
innovative
saturation,
solution that
and
saves
image
you time and
consistency.
money.
In order
Meet
to
the
provide
future
a
of
pleasing viewing
confident
experience.
waveform monitoring.
Shading techniques have evolved
Prism.
from simple human evaluation to the use of color charts and light meters, to scopes, waveform monitors,
The world
and
is
software.
changing. Every
And as
day,
video
bigger,
formats and
brighter
resolution
screens are
continue
changing
to
the way that
evolve,
we work,
from standard definition
communicate,
to high
and
definition
live.
and 4K to now
Content creation
8K.
and delivery is
Camera
keeping
shading
pace
has
with this
become
change.
even more critical,
requiring new tools
Tektronix
for
has
emerging
developed a suite
challenges.
of waveform and display technologies
Designed
for
specifically
real-time
to generate
IP
objective,
SDI
trusted
monitoring.
information for
These
production
tools
of
generate
content
objective,
to satisfy
trusted
growing
production
expectations
information
in
to
quality
satisfy
and
the growing
consistency.
expectations
Prism
of higher
is a
resolution
no-compromise
video.
solution
And
that couples
best yet,
experience
this
with
technology
bold
evolves
innovation.
with your production growth.
It is a
addressing
comprehensive
current
single
needs
platform
and
that
keeping pace
simplifies
with the evolution in
professional-grade live
IP
production,
and HDR
content
standards.
editing,
Tektronix
and confidence
provides the
monitoring
path
and
for
broadcast.
reducing future risk while
Built
helping
for
produce
today's
the
demands
best content
and tomorrow's
possible
opportunities.
today.
Prism
Look to
is
Tektronix
field
for a
upgradable
complete range of
and
video
engineered
production
for
tools
IP
to help
SDI,
realize the vision of
and
where you
hybrid
are now
workflows.
and where you are
Designed
going.
to solve problems in OB trucks, post-production facilities.
Ever since multiple
and
cameras
studios,
have been shooting in
Prism
production,
is a versatile
there's been the
toolset
critical
for
need
every
to match the
environment.
image look and quality
Prism can be
from
easily
camera to
integrated
camera.
into your workflow.
Shading is
From
the
operations
task of
to
matching
engineering.
camera light
It's easy
levels,
to connect,
color
easy to
saturation,
integrate,
and image
easy to
consistency.
control.
In order
It's
to
a fully
provide a
featured,
pleasing viewing
innovative
experience.
solution that saves you
Shading
time and money.
techniques have evolved
Meet
from
the
simple
future
human
of confident
evaluation
waveform monitor
to the use of color charts
Meet
and light meters.
Prism, to scopes, waveform monitors, and software.
And as video formats and resolution continue to evolve,
The world is
from
changing.
standard definition
Every
to
day,
high definition
bigger,
and
brighter
4K
screens are
to
changing
now
the way that we
8K.
work,
Camera
communicate,
shading has become
and live.
even more critical.
Content
Tektronix
creation
has
and
developed a
delivery
suite of
must keep pace
waveform and
with this
display
change,
technologies for
requiring
real-time
new tools
IP
for
SDI
emerging
monitoring.
challenges.
These tools generate
Designed
objective,
specifically
trusted
to
production
generate
information,
objective,
to
trusted
satisfy
information
the growing
for production of
expectations
content
of
to
higher
satisfy
resolution
growing
video.
expectations in
And
quality
best
and
yet,
consistency.
this technology
Prism
evolves with
is
your
a
production
no-compromise
growth,
solution
addressing
that
current
couples
needs
experience
and keeping
with
pace
bold
with the
innovation.
evolution in IP
It
and
is a
HDR
comprehensive
standards.
single platform
Tektronix
that simplifies
provides the path for
professional-grade
reducing
live
future
production,
risk, while
content
helping
editing,
produce the best
and
content
confidence
possible
monitoring
today.
and broadcast.
Look to Tektronix for a
Built
complete
for
range
today's
of video
demands
production
and tomorrow's
tools to help
opportunities.
realize the vision
Prism
of where you are
is
now
field upgradable
and
where you are
engineered for
going.
IP, SDI,
and hybrid workflows.
Ever
Designed
since
to solve
multiple cameras have been
problems
shooting in
of OB
production, there's been a critical
post-production
need to
facilities,
match the image look and
studios.
quality from
Prism
camera to
is a
camera.
versatile toolset
Shading
for every
is the
environment.
task of matching camera
Prism
light
can be
levels,
easily integrated
color
into your
saturation,
workflow.